where una dey see this money? Na question wey dey for everybody lips, my people. Everybody dey watch videos wey take comot for Obi Cubana mother's burial, my people. Everybody dey take answer like where una dey see this money, because na in bundles na dey share money, my people. They no dey share money in notes but in bundles. Anyways, my people, before we wan talk enter better, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you take come across this video. Me na K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way dey stop for this channel, please enter with your popcorn and grab your seat. So my people, no forget to subscribe as well. Make we dive inside the matter. We go talk about this our veteran Nollywood actor Kanayo Okanayo, about wetin they don't call am out since we make that video. Come they tell boyfriends make they know they look for their girlfriends because their girlfriends take the Obi Cubana mother's burial. My people, before that make we take dive inside the video. Hey, my people, why did they see this money? This na question where people they ask, because even Oyibo take join the share money, our fellow Nigerians take join the share money. Nigerians sef as una sabi say for being Nigerian na full-time job, na cruise all we take the cruise. They don't make skit. Una know na comedians, they don't make skit. Person sef wey no be comedian don't make skit. You don't carry big back say they go funeral or they go na burial. My people go carry money because the way they take the share money na in bundles. My people, now they see how they move them. The question now where will they see this money? A lot of people don't come react to this matter. A lot of people don't come, they chook their mouth put say this one no correct. So there's some they say this one correct. So my people, even that the free, so I know that the controversial man of God, yes, my people, of free ministry, of free people ministry, as they call himself, my people, he don't come out even him, he don't come talk. He say, I don't know what the issue is with Obi Cubana's 200 cows when the supposed wisest man that ever lived, Solomon, consumed 30 cows and 100 sheep daily, as in every single day. That's 210 cows and 70 sheep every single week. Hey, my people, he even talk say make they not they over talk about this Obi Cubana's hundreds of cows where they take this for burying mother. Say if him fit afford them or his friends can give it to him, what it be our business? Say make we lock our mouth. It no matter. Say even for Bible, man of God or na better person we take the inside Bible when na Solomon himself, my people, himself don't chop plenty cow and plenty sheep join. So make them know they look things like that, they feel depressed. If you cannot afford it, well, if you can afford it, take afford that, my people. A lot of reactions still come out. Hey. Another one say a kind rich man lost his mother. His boys, friends, and associates use that opportunity to rally ground to make things easier by offering cows, cash, and gifts. This is normal. Igbo people will do it every Xmas, my people. A lot of people don't come talk. They even talk to me. They left this man alone. As in, let him enjoy his mother's burial finish, because now in goodness now they lead to this kind way. Another person self come talk say she be Igbo. Yes, she know say Igbo people, they know how to they throw money about, but this one for 200 cows it's too much. Say they're not supposed to do this kind thing, my people. I say what did they happen now? What did they happen, my people? Una sabi say this man so na 346 cows where we see, and one single man when na Cubana chief priest, my people, he come give 46 cows alone, my people. Hey, this burial not talk of the town, my people. Not talk of the town. I don't know what you think about the video. Yes, because a lot of people don't come they talk. A lot of people don't come they react. Me don't know what you think about this video. Make una write for comment section, because my people, now cruise would they me self I don't carry the side for carry my big back, my people. Now they see the money now, and when they see am on a screen, you know they like na me they talk. Yes, because if na me they talk, when I know they see the money, it go take they like na me they open my mouth, they blab anyhow. But who now they see the money now, my people. Hey, Kanayo Okanayo don't decide for carry 8 million naira. What now they see? On a more, my people, we no know now. Waiting we see for social media. Say 8 million naira for go throw ram for Obi Cubana, my people. Where are they seeing this money? Hey, some people say don't come talk say person wey illegally work im money say this money wey take work and na the sweat for im forehead him no go throw money like this. A lot of people come dey talk their own, some dey for and some dey against. My people, me no know where una dey. You dey for or you take dey against? Make you write your opinion for comment section, make I know where you dey, whether na for you take dey or na against you take dey, because a lot of people come dey talk say this man so when na Obi Kubana one dey see for na screen say na generous person e dey, like when he enter some million, my people, everybody take know say that man don enter. As in, everybody take know say in dey because e dey show am for people face, e dey rub notes for people face. Say himself like he love to dey give money na in bundles. My people, wetin una think about? Are you people for this kind extravagant one sharing of money or gifting or whatsoever? My people, are you people for? If you take dey for, write for comment section. If you take dey against, make you still write for comment section. After all, for this channel everybody opinion take count. So my people, without wasting time, back we go answer the matter for Kanayo o Kanayo. Una sabi say Kanayo come out e come dey talk say say all those people wey dey carry find their girlfriend, make them no worry. Say e dey like this, their girlfriend say, my people, dey for Obi Kubana place. My people, say they wey dey take they go lick their comot ass. My people, say they go chop the comot joy. My people, the matter it just can't dey make somehow for people ears. Now a lot of people can't dey react say how can he, a father, take do this kind thing? If una think say na joke a day, my people, I go leave una, make una listen the video. We go.
My dear friends, life is good. I hope you're having fun. Now we are at 649 suits in Asaba. You need to set and trend 649 as a suit. It is not just the best suit in Asaba, it's the best suit in Nigeria. But guess what? Guess what, guys? If you are in Lagos and Asaba and your girlfriend has told you she's going for weekend, she's in Oba. Oba is in Anambra State. Check out your girlfriend, so we have landed.
My people, una don hear by una self wetin wey this our veteran Nollywood actor TikTok. Now they come drag and say him when a father, him when a elderly person, he not supposed carry talk this kind thing. Say even if na jokes, make it leave jokes to comedians, because they go take draw person like he way everybody believes say it take get integrity and dignity. My people, a lot of people can't react, but the one way it carry shine my eye, now I go take read to una. Joke taken too far. Unfortunately, I do not find this funny. It's true or not, we shouldn't glorify nonsense to the world so shamelessly. And to see veteran actor and lawyer Kanayo o Kanayo champion this seemingly musing that has turned to cruise is quite disheartening. He's a father that also has a grown daughter who definitely will see this too. The silly one seated right behind him, who only miraculously skip over ripe plantain, Alex Ekubo or whatever his name is, pridefully using vulgar words to sexualize young girls and ladies that are attending the week-long burial/funeral of Obi Kubana's mother at Oba, just got engaged only recently to his American girlfriend. People, una don hear by una self. What you think about this video? Wetin veteran actor talk, it makes sense or it no make sense? That one, in fact, me don't say, me don't know wetin to talk. As our opinion counts, my people, now bring that to us. Make we put mouth inside. Write for comment section what you think about this video. We go stop the video for here, but before that, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification and like the video. Leave comments or comment section. I'll see you on my next video.